Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMint. In this third video of JavaScript beginner level coding challenge, this is going to be about printing multiplication table of any numbers. In this case, it is 8, and this tutorial is for beginner level. So, if you're preparing for any coding challenge in an interview, this series is going to prepare for a beginner level or junior level developer. So, to do so, we are basically going to loop over 1 to 10 and then multiply each with the 8. So, we are going to use for loop. You can use any loop of your choice. So, this is going to begin from 1 instead of 0. Also is going to be greater or equal than 10, and it's going to increase each time. Okay, and then we want to console log the table. So I'm just going to create a variable table, and uh, if we can use let or var, completely okay. Then we are going to store I into 8. Okay, you want to be consistent with the semicolon. That's perfectly fine. So it's very simple, and this is how you can do it. So let's go ahead and check. I'm going to run it using this inbuilt terminal. So I'm using node, and this is challenge. So this does work. Okay, so this does work. 8 is 16, and 3 is 24, etc. etc. T. If you want, you can use process std out, right, and then to then you can put your table. Give a space, not inside, outside. Okay, and this will put right, left to right. This will print right to left instead of top to bottom, left to right. So like this. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.